Hi everyone, and welcome to XRP Insider, your one-stop shop for the most recent information and analysis. Today, we'll be delving into 5 fascinating subjects related to Ripple and XRP. To join the conversation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and leave a comment below. The topic of discussion today is XRP, which has seen a remarkable price spike in the last 55 cents, driven by intriguing whale movements, including a massive sell-off of 47 million tokens. This unexpected action has the cryptocurrency community abuzz with speculation about the possible reasons behind the price jump and its implications for XRP's future. Meanwhile, the Bank of England is creating a stir with the announcement of a new central settlement engine, which might pave the way for Ripple to further solidify its role in transforming global finance. This move could improve the effectiveness of cross-border transactions, which are at the heart of Ripple's expertise. The jump in XRP's trading volume to 1.6 billion points indicates that interest in the coin is expanding. The most recent financial breakthroughs and the mysterious whale market movements are probably what caused the surge. Alec is keeping a close eye on these inventions and is prepared to witness how they play out. The market is experiencing a strong volume squeeze, which suggests that there may be increased demand. And what they signify for XRP's future as well as Ripple's financial goals. Now that you're ready to learn more about these occurrences that provide insights into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies and what they signify for the wider financial environment, let's get started with today's news. Today, an interesting development occurred as whale alerts contrary to the usual market reaction when significant sell-offs result in a price reduction. The blockchain tracking platform observed 2 enormous whale transactions totaling roughly 47 million XRP being shifted to exchanges, igniting a frenzy of conjecture among the cryptocurrency community. Trajectory changed in an unforeseen way. Rising far above the 55 cents, this is fairly unusual for XRP, and generally speaking, amid large whale dumps, this has the community abuzz. In particular, the derivatives market indicates that a bullish trend for XRP is imminent, bolstering the optimism surrounding the token. The spotlight shines brighter on XRP, as it not only maintained but even intensified its upward momentum during the whale sell-offs. Describe the typical pessimistic outlook. There has been a surge in optimism as a result. Prominent experts such as crypto have expressed optimism about the market and openly declared XRP to go north on social media platforms. They have also dug deeper into the whale actions and reported by Whale Alert. Go back to an unidentified wallet that was observed making notable moves similar to the trade of bitstamps and bits, which makes this transfer pattern even more fascinating. The surgeon's open interest, highlighted by company Glass, indicates not just a price spike but an influx of new speculation, of new investments into the market, painting a picture of growing confidence and speculative interest in XRP's future as a result of Ripple's strategic investments in these platforms, suggesting a layer of strategy behind the transactions. The price of XRP is currently impressively at 55 cents, up 5.6% on the last day. Not only has the cryptocurrency community taken notice of the jump above the 55-degree threshold, but also sparked important conversations. With XRP's volume and market cap seeing significant gains, investors and analysts are now reevaluating their projections in light of the cryptocurrency's resilient and bullish performance. The crypto community is closely monitoring the market and anticipating the next move in this dynamic landscape, which could completely change the payments landscape globally. The Bank of England has been involved in the Bank of England's real-time gross settlement system, which is at the core of the UK's payment infrastructure and is undergoing a transformation aimed at meeting the changing demands of the financial industry. This includes increased resilience, greater access, and improved interoperability among payment systems worldwide, with a particular focus on implementing the ISO 2022 messaging standard to facilitate smoother and more transparent transactions. By exploring the possibilities offered by Ripple's Interledger protocol, this exploration is part of their broader effort to innovate and enhance the efficiency, speed, and resilience of cross-border payments. International trade Ripple technology, in particular, has been seen as a possible game changer in enabling synchronized settlement across various ledgers and payment systems through its interledger protocol. This protocol seeks to easily integrate different financial networks, opening the door for international transactions that are more productive and economical. The Bank of England has provided a significant endorsement of blockchain technology's potential to change financial settlements with its research into the Ripple solution and its successful integration into simulated RTG systems. This move not only demonstrates the bank's dedication to embracing cutting-edge technologies, but also serves to highlight Ripple's expanding influence and the usefulness of its solutions in real-world financial operations. Additionally, Ripple's recent announcement of the CBDC platform further establishes the company as a leader in offering blockchain-based solutions to the banking and financial sectors. XRP-based technology is intended to let central banks introduce their digital currencies more cheaply and effectively, demonstrating the adaptability and usefulness of Ripple's technological offerings. This is basically what I said yesterday in terms of the use case and the rationale behind it. Naturally, Bitcoin is a fully decentralized solution with a route ahead of it, and the public finds it appealing because it was the first to market and is practical. However, based on Brad's goals, it appears that XRP is headed down the worldwide payments are a way to resolve, which indicates that all of the central bank's digital currency infrastructure and software are intended to function through Ripple and make use of the XRP platform. I wanted to say something regarding technical analysis, etc. Through yesterday, the value that Ripple offers is a very clear guide in the cryptocurrency market about the current price movement or activity. The truth is that price and value are two distinct concepts, where the basic definition of price is what a person's willingness or liquidity will allow them to pay. That establishes the cost. If Brad can enter the CBDC space, the value of an asset, or the worth of XRP, essentially rests on its brand equity and brand. And, one more time, turn into the essential platform for utilizing CBDCs worldwide. I have my own negative opinions about CBDCs, but even so, from the perspective of brand equity, I would send you, Ripple, and XRP into the stratosphere, since 131 of the 189 countries have already produced roadmaps for CBDCs if most of them use Ripple as the platform. Utilize XRP and the developer platform as the working mechanism, the finalized transactions, followed by the perceived worth of the UH and Ripple XRP brands, rise noticeably. Will it remain the same? The entire worth and market capitalization of Bitcoin is still unknown, based on what we can see at the moment. Back to the Bank of England, CBDC News. The bank's investigation into and experimentation with Ripple's technology reflects a growing trend among central banks to explore blockchain solutions. There's a massive push, a very strong roadmap, and a very strong leadership team to get us there now. As the financial industry develops further, the effective integration of such technologies could usher in a new era of cross-border payments that are quicker, safer, and more affordable, benefiting both businesses and consumers. As you can all agree, XRP is the key player in this space, giving it a front-runner effect. The developments at the Bank of England, along with Ripple's legal victories and technological advancement, suggest a bright future for blockchain applications and financial services, indicating a significant step towards the broader adoption of these technologies across the global financial landscape. Now, those of you who were with me yesterday and essentially went through my detailed forecast and technical analysis would have seen that even in front of Bitcoin it has its value and has its brand equity that they're trying to develop. I am essentially speaking from the top. I thought we would topple over to effectively retest that support level at the base of the wedge. I never imagined that we would go so dramatically downward, but in essence, we have reached the bottom. We may climb higher in the future or take up some further liquidity of that support level, which is expressed here quite clearly. As for where this is going, as of right now, the usual way this plays out is that there would be a little move up, maybe a sell-off here to retest the line, and then basically shift downward, depending on how the remaining Bitcoin and the top 30 cryptocurrencies are changing. In terms of Bitcoin, it appears that we are approaching a pretty strong resistance level, which essentially indicates that the large-cap cryptos are beginning to taper down. Unless there's a big announcement about the legal issue being settled, which is obviously coming from an XRP perspective, I would assume that it will be sold out like the rest of the cryptocurrency. It is essentially a sideways motion. A retest of the U support line that shifts to a resistance line, followed by a move to the base of the wedge for another test. I apologize for all of the pop-ups, and in light of that, let's say that we're at the last video of the day. I sincerely appreciate all of your time and effort for those of you who have persevered through. I hope you've had as much fun viewing it as I have creating it. Just a brief note from me, everything you've seen is substance and education, not financial advice. I hope we can all hold XRP and reach new heights together.